organic of Sriwijaya, Palembang. Today, I would like to make mini corndog. This food is delicious and easy to make. For those of you who are curious, let's watch the video.
Before cooking, you have to prepare the ingredient first. The following ingredients will be used: sausage, wheat flour, breadcrumbs, instant yeast, mayonnaise, chili sauce. Here are the steps how to make mini corn dog. First, pour the lukewarm water, then add the instant yeast and also sugar. Second, mix the flour with the starch. Next, mix all, then stir all the dough until smooth. After that, close the dough. We cover the container, or you can use cloth or rag. Wait for 45 minutes until the dough expands. Then, wrap the sausage with the dough. After that, coat in breadcrumbs. But before that, make sure that your hands are clean. Next, heat the oil, then fry mini corn dogs for 3 until 4 minutes or until golden brown. Then leave and drain well. After that, serve with the chili sauce and mayonnaise. Finally, mini corn dog is ready.
Actually, this is my first time making this food. I'm interested in making this food because this food is easy to make and the ingredients are easy to find in this mini market and cheap. My opinion about this food is delicious like corndog in general, but difference that corndog general is more digest than this food. But overall, this food is good. You can make this food as meal while watching television or gathering with your family or friends. That's all about my video. See you in the next project. Thank you for watching.